I think for patients, the hardest part is that they've just experienced their worst day. And to have them come into the hospital and reassure them that we are going to help them is an incredible thing. BCIT was the first institution to incorporate human trafficking curriculum into their program, and for that I'm incredibly proud. Being that forensic nurse, we can stop something really terrible that's happened, and we can start opening up that pathway for them to be able to heal. I'm incredibly proud to have the skills and the knowledge and the heart to be able to do this work. I just look forward to the day where I actually don't have a job.